And then the place, it says, a great hole in the middle of nowhere. The hole is an exact replica of the great hole of history. Then she gives us a synopsis about what's going to happen. And we see in Act Two the subtitles, right? So what does all this mean? Okay, so the founding father is Abraham Lincoln. So obviously Lincoln is in the play. Uh, it's not the founding father; it's the foundling father. So it's indicating a difference there. In Act Two, we see it sort of goes into something else. So Act One is just this foundling father person. Act Two is the foundling father's um, family, Lucy and Brazil, and then within Act Two, the two actors are breaking out of their character and they are performing a play within a play. They're performing Our American Cousin in Act Two. So Our American Cousin was the play that Lincoln was watching when he was assassinated in Ford's Theater in Washington. Uh, and the assassination, right, is also what the foundling father does as one of his occupations. So the foundling father, that's his name. His main occupation is digging graves, hence the Great Hole. But his other occupation is he is a Lincoln impersonator. Uh, he is African American, but people claim that he looks just like Abraham Lincoln. So he uses um, this similarity in order to impersonate Lincoln. So he travels around. He has people come to his place and charges money so that they can see his Lincoln impersonation. And then eventually he travels around the country in like carnival shows. So what he impersonates as Lincoln is not just Lincoln the figure. What he impersonates is the assassination of Lincoln. So he will have people pay him money, and then they can get a gun, fake gun, of course, and they can pretend to shoot Lincoln, and then as if they were John Wilkes Booth, the assassin of Lincoln, and then they can say whatever they want to say. Because Booth, after he shot Lincoln, he had a famous line that he says, thus suffer tyrants, something like that. So that's basically what the foundling father does, and that's the basic sort of storyline that she's working with in this text.